in. That's a different group. You're not my friend. Oh my god, I just did a fucking wheelie! Oh, what's the name of it? Oh my god, who's that? Oh bro! I forgot we're connected. You're gonna hear me vlogging all the way. Are you off home? Are you off home? You coming with us?
Bruh.
Oh, I can't wait to have my 650, man. Almost just rear-ended her. Mercedes. I think it's another litre bike, of course. Jesus! Nice! I like it! I like it! And yet again, I've got the smallest fucking bike here, bro. Yeah! That's right, I'm gonna overtake everyone at one point. I'm not recording Cardo, I can play music. Fuck yeah. Is he gonna do it? No, he ain't. It's an automatic! There's Africa Twin! Are you gonna make this mission just to piss him off?
Bye, have a great time!
Bye guys! See you next vlog! Are we overtaking? Are you guys coming too if I'm gonna overtake? I am gonna overtake. Bye! I love that you stopped here, but I don't know where I'm going! Bro. What the fuck is going on? But I don't think Grant's gonna be filtering like that. Where's Matt and Josh? Bro, if this dude decides to take me on 70-mile-an-hour roads, I'ma slap him. You're literally the definition of terrorizing the neighborhood, and I fucking love it. Can I have fucking first key? Did you just... Oh yeah, you did. Fucking hell. He came up way quicker than I thought. Mwah! That's nice. The fuck? You beat them. She's running after you, bro. She's running. She's running. We're good, we're good. I just looked down the maps and then realized I don't have maps. I think someone said we're going to Greenwich, O2. What is going on? Oh, we lost half the group. Ah! They're coming! Nah, we're coming. I'm behind you. We need to move on over. I'm behind you, I'm with you. The rest is just about joining. Can the dude with the diver... Yeah, well, there's someone in the car behind. Not in the car, in the one behind. That's a different group. You're not my friends. Who are you? What is sat nav? I'm going one left because it looks like he's decided to pick it up in the fast lane. I'm coming on the right in the middle lane, just behind me, and I think Grant's behind him. I've got space if you want to join in front of me. Oh, red light. I fucking know you will. Fucking bike won't give me first gear. We got everyone? 1, 2, 3, 4. Laura? Huh. Bro, I'm on a 400. What do you mean race time? Ah, I'll try. It's gonna be me trying to keep up whilst you do a wheelie. Watch. Oh my god, I just did a fucking wheelie! It very much looks like it. From fucking back there you left that strip. Yeah, I wonder why. I think so. There's a back roll. That went what? Yeah, I ain't doing that. Again, so far ahead, I've lost him. And he took my music with him. What the fuck? You can't park there. Okay, bye. Of course! Bros!
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Help me. Help me.
Hello? We're just coming up to the O2 now. No. We're coming up to the stadium fucking thing by the looks of it. I don't doubt that. By the roundabout, first exit. Once we've stopped, I'll show you my location or something. Near the front of it by the looks of it. At the moment, but we're still riding in it. Yeah, near the fucking, what is it? Ramps, what is it called? The ramps that come down. Yeah, towards the water. You'll see a couple of more bikers at the start. Oh, he's gone. London.